some more exciting things I want to offer for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys possibly tomorrow in a day or two. I have a nice some vegetables that I've been growing. Getting my skills in agriculture and farming and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you tomorrow. I want to definitely promote for the culture to grow your own food, and also to start, just start with one item at a time. Just save yourself from going to the grocery store, save yourself some money, or just to build a better way for yourself and your family. So we're gonna do that for you guys. Also, we're gonna have a service set up where if you don't know how to farm and you don't know how to do the agriculture and plant, you can do one-on-ones in groups. We're gonna set that up where we can do that. We're also gonna set it up where if you are the type that you want your plants grew from a certain stage, week 1, week 2, week 3, different stages of development and growing the vegetables and the fruit, we're going to provide that to you as well. So we're going to offer a lot of things.